Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we from the group of four will present about investment. Then enjoy watching and hope it can be useful. For the first slide, we will discuss about definition of investing. Investment is an activity of saving or placing funds in a certain period with the hope that the strong will lead to a gain or increase in investment value. A person who invests is called an investor or investor. Investment is closely related to the business, but apart from that, there are many investments that are not business bound. There are many non-business investments that are recently in demand by the public with the aim of investing to increase the value of their asset. Next, the purpose of investing is not to make an investor get rich quick. However, investment must be undertaken with patience, a strong commitment, and remain calm when the market fluctuates. But that doesn't mean investment can't be done in the short term. There are many short-term investments that are equally profitable as long-term investment. In simple terms, investment has two definitions for us to understand. 1. Short-term investment and long-term investment. 1. Short-term investment. If defined, short-term investment is an investment that is usually less than 3 years old, which you can convert to cash or sell. For example, short-term bonds, certificates of deposit, the stock market. Next, long-term investment. Long-term investment is an investment that takes more than 3 years. Long-term investment is perfect for those of you who want to save for long-term purpose. For example, marriage, pension funds, and education coach. When you decide to take a long-term investment, make sure you don't take out the funds before 3 years. An example of an aggressive long-term mutual fund investment with a high return.
In general, investment has three objects, including get fixed income, and the purpose of investing to get a fixed income initially of let be to say or invest in company. For example, you invest in a fast food production company. From the seller produce, you are entering to a percentage of the profit each month, and the percentage of profit will be different depending on the agreement between the company and the investor. Developing a business. Apart from getting regular income and the profit, invest can also develop in the business, and you are controlling running, and the investment tool you get can be a capital injection for your business. Guarantee in business. If you invest in supplier of raw material for the business you are in, it is likely the company will not accept represents a shortage of raw material supply. In addition, and the prices of your product will be applied to company in the marketing because you get compare raw material with good quality. Investment benefit 1 point. Increase asset, for example, investment which led for the purpose of invest, and the seller it several years later at a higher price. This the asset value in the form of led as increased. However, the increase in asset value is not attained in the short time. It takes a long time and past year. Meeting future needs. Investment in the present aims to support life in the future. For example, you invest in gold for a future education food. 3 feet. Previously, the investor some will the three to life probability kept investing. In the end, this person will lot doing things these are not important and are more economical. Next, a folding debate with a simple lifestyle. One will avoid debate. People we are community to investment will avoid debate and prefer to live frugally to improve economic conditions. Form of investment in generally and the purpose of financial into development asset. Investment is divided into forms, namely investment in real asset and investment in financial asset, and the following is an explanation of both. 1 point. Real asset investment. An investment may be seen in a feedback or investment from, for example, investing in gold, perfect, trading, precious metals, and others. 2 point. Financial asset investment. Investment may be investor in the form of security, for example, escrow and deposit.
Next, types of investment. In general, there are several types of investment, among others. 1. Deposit. Time deposit or investment are one type of investment that is in great demand because the method is very easy and not complicated. Next, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency or other types of investment in digital currency are indeed quite popular. The example of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin currency. This currency is different from other currencies in general, where it is used for the use of online transactions. Next, bonds are a type of investment that is almost similar to stock. Bond is a securities sold by a company or government with the aim of obtaining funds from investor by giving interest paid based on the initial agreement. Next, gold is a very popular real investment or physical form. Next, for property. Property investment is a type of physical investment other than gold. There are many ways to invest in property. The simple is to buy land and build the property on it. After that, you can sell it a higher price. And the last, mutual funds. The next type of investment is mutual funds. Mutual fund is an investment where funds are collected from several investors into one and then invested in various types of capital markets. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation can add to your insight about investing in general. Thank you.